All right, just a couple more questions here. Nautical miles. Why do we even use them anymore? Well, some people love them, so let's have a look and see. And they were actually quite a clever invention when we first started because they're based on trigonometry, and we all know we love our trigonometry. Now, a nautical mile is the distance on the Earth's surface that subtends an angle of 1 minute, so 1/60th of a degree of the Great Circle arc measured from the centre of the Earth. A knot is the speed of 1 nautical mile per hour. That was nautical mile per hour. I think you can almost understand what I said then. Given the radius of the Earth is approximately 6,370 kilometres, show that 1 nautical mile is approximately equal to 1.853. Well, let's have a look how we do this. There's a terribly drawn circle, but here we have, obviously, two values here, and they are both 6,370 kilometres. And what we're trying to find is that little arc length there. How do I find the arc length? Well, it's a fraction of the circumference. Now, let's work in radians, because I think I did one earlier today in degrees, so it's only fun to work in radians. Oh no, that says 1/60th of a degree, so look, taking all my fun away from me anyway. It was based on degrees. All right, let's go. Theta over 360 multiplied by, what's the circumference of a circle? 2 pi r, so it's a fraction of the circumference. Now, in this case, the length is 1/60th of a degree. So 1/60th divided by 360, multiplied by 2 by pi by the radius, which is 6,370. Taking all the fun out of it, they've asked you for an ugly decimal. So I am going to demonstrate my lack of ability with a calculator by calculating this and probably getting it wrong. So 1/60th divided by 360 multiplied by 2 multiplied by pi multiplied by the radius, which is 6,370, and look, 1.8592. I am quite convinced that that's almost impossible to read and is probably showing backwards. But there you go, 1.853 would be the approximate number of kilometres. So there's the first part of that one. It's not so bad. It's just basically an arc length using a sector. Part B, calculate how long it would take a plane to fly from Perth to Adelaide, 2,130 kilometres, if it was flying at 480 knots. So this is just a unit conversion one. Knots is nautical miles per hour, so we want to get the number of hours. Well, let's just change the number of kilometres. 2,130 kilometres. If I divide that by 1.853, which is how many kilometres it takes to make 1 nautical mile, that's going to tell me the number of nautical miles I need. All these calculator questions are depressing, but let's do it anyway. 1.853. And we've got 1,149.49. 1,149.49-ish. Remember, these are approximate, so I'm going to use my approximately equals sign. Nautical miles, I've told you to write it NMI, so that's what we'll do. Keep them happy. Therefore, time. Well, how do I work out time? It's just my distance that I'm going to travel divided by what speed I'm going. So in this case, it's going to be approximately equal to 1149.49 divided by 480, and that will tell me the number of hours it's going to take. And I get about 2.39 hours. That seems like it's Perth to Adelaide. I was going to say that's very quick to get over here to the East Coast, but they're not coming to the East Coast, they're only going to Adelaide, so that's fine. There you have it. Not too bad. Hopefully that helps. If you want to get that in hours and minutes, remember you can either use the conversion on your calculator. If you've got the old scientific calculator, it's easier. Or remember, you just go 0.39 by 60 and you get it that way. All right, I hope that helps. Cheers, guys. Keep studying. Have fun. Bye.